Hello my dear students, so we are back in our English class and today is a very good day to learn something. So we shall learn a new chapter named Four Friends. The chapter is about four friends. They are Brahman friends. They grew together and they learn everything together and finally they get a chance to prove themselves to be brave and something happens. So, to know that we have to read the chapter. So, before we go into the chapter, we shall learn the new words which is given in front of the chapter. So, please turn to the first page of the chapter. We shall see the new words. I will just explain the words, okay? The first word is brilliant. The first word is brilliant. Accurate. Knowledge. I repeat, first word brilliant, second word accurate, third word knowledge. The first word brilliant, as you all know the word, you are familiar with the word. Brilliant means to have high IQ and be brave and having lot of information about everything. The second word accurate is to grasp knowledge, to get information or knowledge about different things. The third word is knowledge. Knowledge means the idea or information about different things. Okay. The next word different, considered, foolish. I repeat, different, considered, foolish. The word different, you know, what is it? It is something another, not the same. Okay. The second word is considered. Considered means, okay, we look into something, considered, we shall see to it or we will see what it is about. That is considered. Or it is known as, it is mainly, it depends on the different situations. Okay. The next word is foolish. Foolish means to do something stupid. Next word famine. Agreed. Skills. I repeat, famine, agreed, skills. The word famine means to have, there is no food or water or any capability of living in a particular situation. That is called famine. For example, in the chapter, the village where the Brahmins live struck with famine. That means there is no capability of living. They are not able to live there. There is no food, there is no water or anything. Okay, that's called famine. The next word is agreed. Agreed means to be okay with someone's opinion. Understood? Okay, for example, you ask your parents whether you can go out with your friends for picnic from the school. So, your father has to agree, your parents has to agree, father and mother, parent has to agree, isn't it? So, that approval is, or you are okay with someone's opinion. Understood? That is called agreed. The next word is skills. Skills means talent. We all are talented in different way. We all have different skills, isn't it? Okay, we'll move on. The next word is necessary. Stopped, curious. I repeat, necessary, stopped, curious. Necessary, the word necessary means that something that is needed, okay, necessary. If you, for example, if you say, if you want to go out, the mask is necessary for you, isn't it? For nowadays, when you go out, it is necessary for you. Understood? Something that you have to or something you have to do it. Understood? Something that you need for something. The next word is stopped. You all know stop means to cease, to come to a halt. The next word is curious. Yes, we all are curious to know what the chapter is about. You are very excited and you are very eager to know what is about the chapter, what is in the chapter. Okay, we shall go on. Opportunity, skeleton, coward. Opportunity, skeleton, coward. The word opportunity means that you are getting a chance to something. Okay, you get a chance in a particular situation to prove something. Okay, the next word is skeleton. Skeleton is the internal organ of a body, let it be animals or human. It is an internal organ which frame the shape of an animal or a human. Understood? Okay. The next word is coward. Coward means being stupid. Okay. The next word is requested, frightened, attacked. Requested, frightened, attacked. The first word requested means you are requesting someone, you are pleasing someone to get something or permission something. You are pleasing someone to give permission or agreement. Okay. The next word is frightened. Frightened means you are very afraid. You are very afraid of something. You are scared. The last word is attacked. Attacked, of course, you know, someone is hurting others. Okay. We are getting hurt. Some others purposefully hurt us. That is called attack. Okay. So, let's move on. Please take the chapter. 4 friends. Take the first page of the chapter, everyone. Now, please follow when I am reading. I want everyone to follow with me. Okay? Yes. Shall we start? 4 friends. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived 4 Brahmins named Satyanand, Vidyanand, Dharmanand and Shivanand. They had grown up together to become good friends. Satyanand, Vidyanand and Dharmanand were very brilliant and acquired knowledge about different things. But Shivanand spent most of his time eating and sleeping. He was considered foolish by everyone. So, in a small village, there were 4 Brahmin friends, Satyanand, Shivanand, Vidyanand and Dharmanand. Okay. So, they all grew up together, they went for their classes together and they were very hardworking except one. And who was that? That was Shivanand. Except Shivanand, the rest of the 3 were very brilliant and they were very hardworking. What does Shivanand do? Shivanand just eat and sleep. He doesn't do any work. Okay, and everyone considered him as a foolish. We will move on. Once a famine struck the village. All the crops failed. Rivers and lakes started to dry up. The people of the villages started moving to other villages to save their lives. So what happened? The village was struck with famine. Famine is a situation where you don't get food or water and it is very difficult to live in a particular place. And this famine struck for a period of time. Understood? Okay. So, all the people in the village started moving to other places. We also need to move to another place soon or else we will also die like many others, said Satyanand. They all agreed with him. So, what did Satyanand say? Satyanand told Shivanand, what else? Vidyanand and Dharmanand that they also should move as the others are leaving the village. Otherwise, they will also die as the others died. Okay. But what about Shivanand? Asked Satyanand. Do we need him with us? He has no skills or learning. We cannot take him with us. replied Dharmanand. He will be a burden on us. So Satyanand asked, should we take Shivanand with us? Why? Why did he ask so? Because Shivanand is of no use and Satyanand was not agreeing to take Shivanand with them because he doesn't know anything. He hasn't learned anything. He just sleeps and eats. So he was not having any knowledge about anything. Okay. And what does Dharmanand reply? Dharmanand replied that there is no way to take him because he doesn't have any knowledge and he will be a burden for us. Burden means difficulty. Okay. How can we leave him behind? He grew up with us, said Vidyanand. We will share whatever we earn equally among the four of us. So what did Vidyanand say? From this sentence we come to know that Vidyanand is a kind person and he replies to Satyanand and Dharmanand that we should take Shivanand with us. He grew up with us and he is our friend. Whatever we earn in our journey, we shall divide among four of them. Okay, four of us. Understood? They all agreed to take Shivanand along with them. They packed all necessary things and set out for a nearby town. On the way, they had to cross a forest. So, they all agreed when when Vidyanand told that he is our friend and he grew up together and we need to help him. And with that, Satyanand and everyone agreed. Okay, and they planned to take him and they started packing. And what was happening? They had to cross a forest. They had to go through a deep forest. So, what do you think? What would have happened? Okay, so for that we will see in the next chapter. We have to wait for it. Okay, so we'll see in the next class. Read the chapter, learn the new words, write it in your worksheet with where space is provided and learn the spellings. Okay, you can write in your rough book also after finishing the worksheet if you want, so that you will be able to learn more. And if you find any other difficult words in the worksheet, so far what we have finished, you may write that also. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Read the chapter also. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.